Easily access the incredible world of Trueffort to utilize and make the most of all the features it offers. Access to Trueffort. I need to go to the Trueffort homepage and register my company. It's very easy. Remember to fill in all the details and set a secure password. Once the company is registered, I can log in on the homepage. Remember that Trueffort requires an internet connection to function. To access my company, I need to enter my email and password. Once on the Trueffort dashboard, the next step is to download the information collection agent. I will download it according to the operating system I am working on. In the description box, you will find tutorials for installation on each operating system. When the installation is complete, a window will appear where I need to log in to link my computer with my Trueffort account. I will enter the same email and password used to register. Observe how, as soon as I installed the information collection agent, I can already see my productivity recorded in the general report. Now I just select which applications detected by Trueffort will be considered productive and non-productive. And define the hours during which I consider the effort invested in my tasks to be productive. This allows me to visualize how productive I am in my day-to-day activity.